Kublai api baro tekan ni day ka question paper trong ka MTET 2023 ka badai ka paper 1 bat kan ni ka day ka series A tu bayo ka series B C D ka jingkli ka day ka jo henry tang ki number by pair sibo ka number 1 ha ka series A kala bandai number 5 ha ka series B dan ni la bandai number 10 ha ka series C henry ka jingkli day ka jo hiแต่หากนี่ก็วิดีโองานประชังบัน solve ยากินีกีจิงกลีแต่กับบ้านนั้นก็มีเนี่ย page ว่ายากันนี่ก็ child development and pedagogy กับบันได compulsory life marks question 1 which of the following statements is most appropriate to give the correct meaning of development A development refers to the functional or non-organic changes B development refers to the organic changes of the body. C. Development is quantitative in nature. D. Development refers to the structural changes of the body. Answer kadai kani option A. Development refers to the functional or non-organic changes. Number 2. Development being a continuous process takes place from A. The prenatal stage throughout the lifespan of the individual. B. The neonatal period throughout the lifespan of the individual. C. The period of the fetus throughout the lifespan of the individual. D. The infancy period throughout the lifespan of the individual. Take answer kadai kanika option A. The prenatal stage throughout the lifespan of the individual. Number 3. The growth rate of the child is slow but steady during A. Infancy period. B. Early childhood period. C. Middle childhood period. D. Adolescent period. Answer kadai kanika option C. Middle childhood period. 4. In which phase of development do children react less violently to emotionally disturbing situations? A. Adolescence. B. Early childhood. C. Later childhood. D. Infancy. Answer kadai kanika C. Later childhood. 5. At the age of 5, a child can throw a ball with more accuracy so that the mother or the father can catch it. This is best associated with A. Development of large muscles. B. Development of the ability to control the movement of large muscles. C. Development of the coordination of large muscles. D. Neuromuscular development. Answer kadai kanika C. Development of the coordination of large muscles. 6. Which one of the following is not? Kani is not the cognitive behavior of a child. A. Attention. B. Perception. C. Cooperation. D. Imagination. Answer kadai option C. Cooperation. 7. According to cephalocaudal tendency, development proceeds A. In the direction of head to toe. B. In the direction of head to body. C. In the direction of body to foot. D. In the direction of hand to foot. Answer kadai option A. In the direction of head to foot. 8. Manu recently got admitted in an elementary school and is forming new relationships with other students and teachers. Social comparisons with schoolmates began to influence Manu's self-esteem. The changes described her best illustrates Manu's development in A. Physical domain. B. Cognitive domain. C. Psychosocial domain. D. Cognitive domain. Answer kadai C. Psychosocial domain. 9. Telegraphic speech takes place during neonatal period, early childhood period, later childhood period, infancy period. Answer kadai D. Infancy period. 21. In a classroom, a teacher plans for pair and group work so that learners can interact with peers. Here, the students are involved in an activity of A. Cognitive constructivism. B. Social constructivism. C. Behaviorism. D. Structuralism. Answer cái đây là B. Social constructivism. 22. The most important step in the pre-teaching phase is, answer cái đây E. Identifying the instructional objectives. 23. In the practice of teaching skills, the technique which is used as a correct response situation to strengthen the response given by the pupil is C. Refocusing. 24. A learning style that the learners choose to learn by listening is known as A. Auditory learning style. 25. Which of the following is the task of a teacher in the constructivist approach of teaching learning process? Answer cái đây là option C. Teacher plays an advising and facilitating role in the teaching learning process. 26. Assessment is purposeful if, answer cái đấy C. It serves as feedback for students as well as the teachers. 27. Given below are the objective type responses and 3 are under alternative response type. Identify the odd one from the given options that is not under the alternate response type. A. True or false. B. Right or wrong. C. Yes or no. D. Match the columns. Answer cái đây D. Matching the columns. 28. Which of the following is the most appropriate description for a very short answer question? Very short answer cái đây option C. It can be answered in one word or one sentence. 29. Which of the following is not the tool for formative assessment in scholastic domain? Answer cái đây cái B. Multiple choice questions. Last question by day but CDP. 30. Which of the following is an example of summative assessment? Cái đây cái final examination. The next subject cái language to English. Direction, choose the correct option. 31. The objectives of teaching English is to enable the students to master option B, the 4 language skills. 32. Listening and speaking are option A, parallel processes. 33. The chief aim of silent reading is, answer option B, the absorption of the idea of the passage or text. 34. Activities like singing and rhymes provide D. Creative learning. 35. Simon Says is a game for the development of, answer the A, listening skill. 36. Learning to read is about D. Helping the reader to learn and consider the meanings in a text. 37. Reading the newspaper for getting answers to a particular question or research paper and article reading can be considered as B. Scanning. 38. Dash refers to giving a concise overview of a text's main points in your own words. Answer C. Summarization. 39. Reading beyond the textbook promotes dash of the students, promote reading habit of the students. 40. Dash is the ability to take clues from a text apart from what we already know from our past experience to decide what the author means. Answer C. An inference. 41. Writing like editing. Answer the editing also involves encoding, which means we put our thoughts and ideas into words. 42. It is important to keep the purpose and audience in mind while writing. Answer B. Sometimes. 43. Learners can be encouraged to listen to radio programs, podcasts, and documentaries on television to improve D. Their creative skills. 44. Oral language can be developed through, answer B. Group discussion. 45. Reading across the curriculum is also called option A. Content literacy or active learning. 46. A short estimation used in the offices for formal communication purpose is answer C, notice. 47. CD or DVD, newspaper reading and stories are the classical way of teaching and learning of option. Answer the option B, listening skills. 48. Which of the following statements is not true with regard to audience performance reading or fluent oral reading? Answer the option A. It can be practiced when young students join in a repeated reading of a book with memorable phrases or sound effects and added gestures. 49. Writing reports on morning assembly, annual school sports, school day and other school activities is particularly beneficial to these students and teachers. 50. Reading comprehension is the ability, answer the option B, to understand what you read. 51. A letter includes which of the following? Answer D, salutation, body and conclusion. 52. Creative writing is a form of, answer B, artistic expression. 53. Do not confide your secrets to everyone. Answer D, 2. Many dash women would welcome such a chance. Answer C, A. Many a woman would welcome such a chance. 55. She is a university, option C. She is a university professor. 56. We are going on a picnic. Answer on. Day 4 on a picnic. 57. Discipline is on the wane in schools and college nowadays. They choose the appropriate meaning for the underlying idioms and phrases. On the wane kepada idioms and phrase. Answer A, declining. 58. His friends advise him to be fair and square in his dealings. Fair and square option D, upright. 59. I try to feel his pulse on the issue but in vain. Feel his pulse C, find his views. 60. Choose the word closest to abundant. C, live. But a similar meaning, lani synonym. Next, subject mathematics. 61. Which nature of mathematics is related to clarity and precision and leaves no room for doubt and ambiguity? Answer C, accuracy. 62. Which of the following is not true about the nature of mathematics? Not true. Answer C. Mathematics concepts are linearly arranged. Mathematics are not linearly arranged. Are linearly not true. 63. Mathematical games and puzzles help students in, answer option A, making connections between mathematics and everyday activities of students. 64. Mathematical communication refers to, answer option D, ability to consolidate and organize in mathematical thinking. 65. The kind of learning mathematics, namely relational understanding and instrumental understanding, was suggested by which of the following theories? Option B, schemes theory. 66. Which of the following is one of the remedy to math phobia? Remedy that helps those who are bayarap yaitu shamjing ke maths bating ke maths option D, convey the language about mathematics to be positive and enthusiastic. 67. Which of the following is not an appropriate reason for fear of mathematics? Is not an appropriate reason for fear of mathematics? Answer option C, language used in the textbook. 68. Which of the following is not the purpose of assessment in mathematics? Is not the purpose of assessment in mathematics? Answer kadai kani ke C. Help students to decide on dropping the subject. 69. Which of the following is an example of using ICT in teaching mathematics? ICT, Information and Communication Technology. Kadai ka answer kadai option B. Use of GeoGebra and geometrical software. Next kini badai ba hap khen. 70. Which number is missing in the following pattern? Dangi page ya kani pattern ki sequence hang ni. Now 4 how 6 da ka ba plus 2. Now 6 how 9 da ka ba plus 3. Now 9 how 13 plus 4. Now 13 how 18 day ban plus 5. Kamut hang ni ka rule day ban plus 2 3 4 5 nang ta hang ni mut day ban plus do 6. To 18 plus 6 ngiyo 24. Ka answer day option D 24. 71. The place value of 7 in 57,930. Kaya ka place value jong 7. Dangi pe hang ni place value kani day 1. Tho do 1 kani day 10 kani day 100h kani 7 day 1000. 1 10 100,000. Place value jong 7 day 1000 kamut 7000 ka answer ka day C. 72. How many centimeters are there in 2.57 meters? Kamut ngi day ban penkala yaw new 2.5 meters yaw centimeters. Ke now meter yaw centimeter kamut now bahe yaw barit. Meter bahe yaw centimeter. Dangi kwa ban penkala now bahe yaw barit ngi day ban multiply. To 2.57 ban penkala yaw meter yaw centimeter ngi day ban multiply daw 100. Namar ngi tip ba meter kadai shispa centimeter. Kadai ban multiply daw 100. Dangi multiply daw 100 don artli gi 0 new decimal point un shift 2 places shakamon towards the right un shift ni 1 2 kamut un sadon hang ni hakmat jong u 7 da don hang ni hakmat nim don su number mut 0 kadai ka ju hi 257. The answer kadai 257 kani option C. 73. The area of rectangle. The area of rectangle kadai ladadon length breadth kadai length into breadth. Ke area kadai 96 kamut length into breadth kadai 96. If the length is 12 lada kani ka length kadai 12. 12 into b ngidai banwat chwa ya ka b breadth. Nang ta ka b kadai 12 into b da ka ba multiply dang ira u 12 sa ka right side kamut dai ban ya divide. Ting tip hang ni khat r sini pra dai khandai pen riu kamut ka b ka breadth kadai 8. Ting ilayo ka breadth 8 kani ka length dai 12. Then its perimeter ngidai banwat ya ka perimeter jong ka rectangle kadai 2 bracket L plus B. The 2 bracket L day 12 plus B bangi wat mentang layo 8. Te kadai 2 bracket 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 kadai 20. 12 plus 8 day ban khen cho 12 plus 8 po bracket 20. Nang tau new 2 day ban multiply 2 into 20 kadai 40. Ka answer kadai option A 40 centimeter. 74. 40% of a certain amount is 250. 40% of certain amount ngim tip kat no ka amount ngi bodaw x kadai equal to 50. The 40% kamut 40 by 100 of ngi bo multiply into multiply x 250. Wad yo x hang ni 250 ban wad x ni 40 by 100 ngi ra sa ka right side 100 dai ban multiply sejrong ni 40 sepo divide sepo ngi pom 0 0 nang ta 2 into 2 day 4 ngi pom daw 2 2 into 2 day 4 hang ni 10 2 into 5 day 10 ngi pom biang 2 into 1 day 2 but ni bangi la ban ngi pom 2 into 1 day 2 2 into 2 ngi yo 4 new 5 but 4 the minus remainder sa so 1 1 but 0 la long 10 2 into 5 kamut hang new x equal 1 to 5 multiply 5 125 multiply 5 ngiyo 6 to 5 teka x day 6 to 5 kamut 60% jongu 6 to 5 kadai 250. Next kaong the 50% of that same amount kani ka juk amount 30% jong kani ka 6 to 5 kadai kat no teka 30% kamut 30 po spa multiply new 6 to 5 nya pom new 0 0 nangta san sini way san sini r spell do san 6 to 5 ni divide do 2 6 to 5 divide do 2 2 into 3 day 6 2 into 1 day 2 2 into 2 day 4 remainder way bu point yo 0 2 into 5 day 10 kamut answer 312.5 302.5 kani 0 ngila ban bu 0 sudah sini sakmat dalam kod 5 sakmat day 0 sudah ni gibu do wave 0 kaju hi 312.5 ni 312.50. 75 a town has a present population of 12,000. If the population is increased by 5% every year, the next year population will be. Teka town ka don ya ka population ka jungbon pri hadu kat arjar lada ka increase every year 100% tengi wat kat no kata ka 100% na kanika 12,000. 5% of 12,000 kamut 5 by 100 of 12,000 pom 0 r tali na po r tali na jrong ni de pom den kum ni multiply kan ni 5 into 12 kadai 60 5 12 60 don 0 day 600 te kamut ka increase 100% kamut nrius pa 100% na kan ni khat arjar the next year population kamut ni day ban plus new 12,000 but ni 600 12,000 plus 600 kadai 12,600 ka answer kani option B. 76 a prime number has two factors. Don't tang artli factors wa the number one but number itself. Don't tang artli factor prime number. 77 the reciprocal of 1 3 by 7 kani they mixed fraction but mixed fraction ngila ban pan kelas lagi improper fraction ngi multiply 7 into 1 day 7 dan ngila debs multiply kani 7 into 1 day 7 ngi ban plus ni sejrong ngi 10 by 7 ngi pan kela ya kani saka improper fraction ka ju hi kani bat kani menta ka reciprocal jong kani ka reciprocal kemudu 7 sejrong 10 sepo answer ka day option D. 78 which of the following is not equivalent to 3 by 5 kanu na kini balaai hang ni sautli ki bom ya equal baru 3 by 5 te kini ki number hang ni ngi persang ban ya pom hang ni 1825 ngila ban ya pom hang ni 6 but 10 6 10 dang ya pom r sini lai riu r sin san kamut ngi yo 3 by 5 kamut 6 by 10 kaya they equivalent 3 by 5 kaju hi namar nang ila ya pom ngi yo 3 by 5 Uniu 21 but 35 ngi pom daw 7 7 into 3 day 21 7 into 5 day 35 kaneru day equal hi but 3 by 5 9 but 15 3 into 3 day 9 3 into 5 day 15 kaneru kaya equal tang kani ka 18 by 25 kani ngimla su pan ya pom kamut kani day not equivalent to 3 by 5 answer the option A. 79 5 cm is equivalent to kawai na kini daki kilometer kamut now centimeter ngi dai ban pan kala sau kilometer tengi tip ba si kilometer kadai si hajar meter now kilometer sau meter swa nangta kani si hajar meter hajaka jong meter ngi pen kala sau centimeter ngi multiply dau sispa namar si meter kadai sispa centimeter now meter ngi pen kala yang sau centimeter kadai ngi yo santli kini ki 0 kamut si kilometer kadai silak centimeter santli ki 0 te kamut hang new 5 ban pen kala sau kilometer ngi dai ban divide dau ni do silak namar nau barit chau bahe nau centimeter barit chau kilometer bahe ni dai ban divide uniu 5 dangi divide ni penkela chau kilometer dai ban divide do niu 1000000 santli gi 0 ta habang ni divide ni let aga ni shortcut method kemudian 5 don decimal point hakmat 5.0 dai 5 i habang ni divide au santli 0 new point unsa move shagal left kemudian don a don ki 0 sudah kumni ki 0 sudah badon shagal left tem namar badon santli ki 0 bangi divide au ni silang santli 0 new point dai ban move sadien san place 5 places 1 2 3 4 5 0 unsa don hang ni tek answer ga dai 0.00005 south li 0 sadon 5 we are lai south san kani dai bandon san tli decimal san tli kani ka decimal number dai bandon san decimal places dan san tli digits dal de point we are lai south san namar bangi divide dau new badon san tli 0 ka answer ka dai kani option C. Next, number 80, a bag contains 150 marbles. If 1/5 of the marbles are removed, 1/5 kamut 1 by 5, 1/5 na kani ka 105, nya pom 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 1, 5, 21. Kamut 21 marbles are removed. Na kani ka bag. Ta bag don sispa san marbles, 1/5 la remove, 1/5 kadai 21. Kamut the numbers of marbles left in the bag kan udang sa ngi minus 105 but 21 kadai 84 kadai option B. 81 a cube has kan answer kadai kani C 6 faces 12 edges and 8 corners. Ka cube ka balongkum ka kamera ka don nriu tli kini ki face badon support sejrong ki side southly khat ar tli ki edges ki sides but pra tli ki corners napo don saw sejrong don saw pra tli ki corner. 82 a sphere balongkum ka ball a sphere has one face only kam don corner. 83 the mark price of an article is 80 and if it is sold at 72 the discount rate is ni dai banwat ya ka discount percent lada ka mark price ka dai prapeu ka selling price dai nyepu ar te ka discount banyo discount kamut ngi ya minus MP mark price minus selling price ka dai discount te ngi minus mark price ka dai 80 selling price dai 22 ka dai 8 kamut pratengka ka dai discount banwat discount percent ka formula ka dai najrong dai ban bu do discount support do mark price nang ta sa multiply do 100 discount by MP into 100 sejrong discount dai pra support mark price dai prapeu multiply do sispa nyapom ni way 0 bat ni ni pra nyapom sa way nang ta ngiyo stang 10 kamu 10% ka discount dai 10%. Kani 84 which of the following is not symmetric? Answer kadai kani option C trapezium. Barok ka square, rectangle, circle kadai symmetric. 85 how many triangles are there in the following figures? Kanu teli ki triangle badon ha kani ka figure. Hang ni ka don ka answer kadai 8. Kani ka way. Kani long R but kani barok ka long line. Line teli but kani barok ka way kadai saw nang ta kani san kani chani nriu kani nyeu but kani pra kadai 8. 86 if angle ABC and angle CBD are complementary angles with angle CBD 65 then angle ABC is complementary angles are teliki angle dangia plus kadai 90 lada ka way dai 65 sa ka way pat minus dau 90 minus 65 90 new 0 ni 10 minus 5 day 5 new la long 8 minus 6 day 2 25 kemudian new CBD day 65 new angle ABC day 25 kadai option D. Kani 87, 14 men can construct a wall in 6 days. Then 1 man will be able to construct the wall in no days. Kemudian artli man, artli days. Tengi thok ni, kani man banengkong ibu M1, ni days banengkong D1, kani man ba M2, D ba R ngidai banwat D2. Teka formula kadai M1 into D1 equal M2 into D2. M1 kadai 14, D1 kadai 6, M2 1 man tang way, D2 ngidai banwat kadai nangta 1 into D2 kadai D2 hi 14 into 6 into 4 day 24 ra 2 6 into 1 6 7 8 84 kan sa day C 84 days. The number 3 in a set. Hakani ka set don 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4. The number 3 in a set has a frequency. Frequency một cắt nô tli u 3 badon hang ni ha ka set. Number of 3 has a frequency. Way are lies out san tli u 3 kan sa ka dei kan ni A 5. 89. If the perimeter of a circle, ka formula jong ka perimeter jong circle de pi r or 2 pi r. Kani perimeter jong circle and a square are equal. Kia equal ka perimeter jong square de 4a. U square de ka side jong square badon ya ka ju side baro u a bay. South li ki side ka de 4a perimeter but u circle 2 pi r. Na kani ngila ban ya pom niu 2 into 1 day 2 into 2 day 4. Teka mut hang ni niu 2a. Niu a niu 2 ngira sa ka left side ngi yo pi r by 2. Kemudian a day pi r by 2. Nang ta ka ong the ratio of their areas. Ngidai banwat ya ka ratio jong ki area. Teka area jong square o ka area jong circle ka day pi r square. Kani 2 pi r ka day perimeter, kani pi r square ka day area. Daga ratio kemudian daga baya divide area jong circle divide area jong square day a square. Kani equal pi r square sapo haja kau i ngibu daw ni pi r square. Pi r divide by 2 haja kau i. Haja kau i ngibu pi r divide by 2. Nomor don square baro kini hapo jong square. Tengi kenya kani sajrong kani kumju kani pi r square. Sapo pi r2 whole square baro kini hapo square. Uniu pi un sadai pi square r3. Pi day r3. New r square mentah r square. But sapo ru 2 square kemudian r3 2 day 4. Tengi ya pom way pi. New r square ya pom. Uniu 4 najrong don su kemudian sa stang 1 najrong. Nyo 1 by 4 1 hapo pi hapo 4. New 4 multiply sajrong. But 1 nyo 4 divide by pi. The 4 divide by pi pi barabor ka value jong pi ka day 22 by 7. The 4 by pi 4 sapo pi ngibu da kani value 22 divide by 7. Uniu 7 multiply bang sajrong. Habadon way na jrong r3 sapo uni banapo multiply sajrong. Tengin sayo thok sajrong 4 multiply 7 sapo sa stang 22. Ngia pom ni r sini r sini way, r sini way. R sini nhau long kat sao sapo sa kat way. Kemudian ni 14 by 11. Ka ratio day 14 is to 11 kan ni ka option B. 90. The measure of angle A in a right angle triangle ABC is 40. If angle B is 90, then the measure of angle C is. Kadon ka right angle triangle. Right angle triangle ka way day 90 degree. Kani day 90 degree la ang ni ka day B hang ni. But the measure of angle C is 40. Or angle A. Angle A sebut ni day A hang ni day 40. Gidai banwat ya kani ka C. The how triangle ada R teliki angle bala A ngi wat sa ka waypan da kani ka formula ngi use kani angle A plus angle B plus angle C ka day 180. Kani angle sum property jong triangle. Nya plus barok lai teliki angle ka day barbor 180. Tiêu A hàng này đây 40, B đây 90, nghe qua tiêu angle C. Nghe plus 40, 90 đây 130, plus angle C equal 180. Ban yaw angle C nghe đây ban ra 130 saga right side, dan ngira saga right side, hapedeng jong kidon plus nghe đây ban minus. The 180 minus 130 ka đây 50. The answer ka đây kan option C, 50 degree. The next subject ang ni ka đây ka environmental studies. 91 NCF 2005 strongly recommends that teaching of EVS at the primary stage should aim at, answer ka đây C, linking classroom learning to life outside the school. 92. Which of the following objectives is not related to EVS teaching as listed in NCF National Curriculum Framework 2005? Answer ka đây kani option D, to memorize basic concepts and principles regarding the environment. 93. Good EVS curriculum at the primary stage should, answer ka đây kani B, provide opportunities to explore surroundings. Question 94. An EVS teacher takes students out on a cloudy day to watch and observe the clouds for the patterns, shapes, and size, and uses the knowledge gathered by the students to explain concepts like the formation of rain. Which of the following methods of teaching is used by the teacher? Answer ka đây kani C, observation method. 95. Problem solving method helps learners in, answer day C, learning by doing. 96. An EVS teacher asking students during the course of teaching learning process to monitor children's learning progress. This type of assessment is called, kadai kanika D, formative assessment. The collective of actual works done by the students during the teaching learning process is called, answer day B, portfolio. 98. Which of the following is not a formative assessment? Answer kadai kanika C, kani bom day as formative assessment, conducting paper pencil test. 99. Which local expert will you as a teacher invite to teach your students about food crop? Answer day A, farmer. 100. To help your students understand better about plants in general and weeds in particular, a skillful teacher in EVS teacher invites a farmer. The teacher is using which of the following teaching learning resources? Answer day A, community resource. 101. Which of the following teaching learning materials is an electronic media? Answer is D, television. 102. EVS being an interdisciplinary area seeks linkages between the natural environment and dash environment of a child. That is socio-economic environment of a child. 103. Which of the following is a renewable resource? Answer is C, water. 104. The primary sources of energy in a food verb is or are, A, sun. 105. The main occupation of the people of Meghalaya is, answer is C, agriculture. 106. A herbivore is also known as a first order consumer. 107. Wheat, rice, maize, barley, and pulses are obtained from, answer D, from plants. 108. Food rich in proteins is called, A, bodybuilding food. 109. Which gas is responsible for global warming? A, carbon dioxide gas. 110. A ball is made out of a lump of clay. The clay ball is next shaped as a rectangle. The change observed in the above activity is, answer D, temporary change. Deficiency of which vitamin causes bleeding gums? Answer is B, vitamin C. Which of the following matters has a definite shape and definite volume? D, solid. The various states of matter can be interchanged into one another by altering the conditions of kadai hangni ka B but C jing sha kani kam dai both E B kadai both B and C jing sha both pressure but temperature ka badai kani kala bakla kani ka jing kli ha ko kom tho ya kini ki option sangni 114 when did the government of India pass the Environment Protection Act kadai 1986 115 which of the following national parks is known as the land of spirits kadai kani E Balpakram National Park 116 the most important reason for decrease in biodiversity is kadai kani option B habitat destruction 117 the climate of Meghalaya varies with the D altitude kani the Nongklem Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district of Meghalaya kadai option C Ribhoi district the percentage of people of Meghalaya who depend on agriculture is kadai 80% 120 the area of Umyam Lake is approximately 220 square kilometer next kani ka language 1 badai ka khasi te ha kani ka subject don ka tu kan ek jingkli bangam patla ban ai ki answer namar bompat kena ya ki answer te kani ka jingkli na do sispar puwe hado sispar saw ka dei jingkli bai dei bat kani ka jingtho ni kani khasi u im ha ka mariang bat usong school ru haka karu ka hikai bat kaya rab ya u ha ka jing im jong u ka baman la ka sngi te ka badai spam khasi ba im ha ka mariang te ka jingkli ka dei sispar puwe hado sispar saw ngi page wa kani bankong sispar puwe u khasi u itho ban theru labba lapsan u banne bon sngi nakino ki jing ai dak ka mariang e utkiu ubara khun dikiu bat peleng najaka them shalom ne senrang mau B ka jing kenji ki dok kha C ka jing kenji ki dok kha tuai D ka jing stang ni jing rben kan lengviar sngi ka answer ka dei kani option E utkiu bara khun kiu bat peleng najaka them shalom ni senrang mau ngiyo kani ka jubab na kani ka line habau yo I yo utkiu ba ura I peleng kiu ni ki khun badang lung najaka them jaka long lum lani shakanu kanu ka senrang mau utip ba un sather labba lapsan ubala banne bon sngi hangni ru don biang spang labba lapsan henre kam ong pat spang kasngi kanu sngi ba unne ka ong be hangni tangani habau lek khwai ni lek be do habau yo I ba ki kenji ki do kha thwe utip bakan sawan ka umba ka umsaw lani ban sather ulabba lapsan tanggumta kam don su kani ubanne bunsngi don tang ni ba batai spang kiu kamut ka jubab ka dei kani ka I mdei kani ka jing kenji ki do kha thwei next kani ka poyom ki jing kala ki pausna laha ka kren ni ka khana akor kala hiar dor sisa kat banang mi kisngi kia kasneng ka krau kala duna harmpei ni langkha sara banhikai ru daki nuksa longdin ki pi shanga long nong muna jing imbabha kadai dei ti jong pi jonga jingkli te ka jingkli bai dei bat ka poyom kani spar pnyo ka phang pedeng jong ka tei ka poyom kadai kani ka option D kadai ti jong pi jonga spar pra ka kantin dei ti ha ka tei ka poyom ka kdeu ya ka kamram lade option D Shispar kandai ka jingroi state ukna ha kaban yokem yak tien ka dei lengba ka jing yak kren bat kani option D kiwei pat kibriu ka badon saudong jong u spa lai pheu ka jing bha jong kanu ka kot puli ka dei ka ba kala ban jubab si kring yak kabor mudur jong kinong puli Shispa lai pheu ka jingdon ki shondak environmental print ha ka saudong saukun ka yarap ikna kani option E ka jubab ha ka jing sedang banang ban pulikot Sispa lai puar ka jing penun kam bon tli ki jai ketien hari India ka jubab kedisi ka penriu spa ya ketien bat ka culture. Kani sispa lai pulai kanu na kini ki jai ketien ka bomsha kan thup ha ka kernit ka bapra jong ka riti sensyar ka ri India jubab kadai kani ka di Tripuri. Kam padon ha kani ka 8 schedule. Ka Hindi badai Marathi kadai kon kani kadai tang kani ka di ka bomdai. Sispa lai phusau ya ka ketien khasi ha ka jela jongi la itho kum ka associate official language na do ka snem kadai B 2005 arjar san. Sispa lai phunriu ki jing penbena ha ki kot khubor ki hap ha ki jai jing tho bangi khot kani ka option A ka jing tho ba ya tho. Sispa lai phunyo ka rukom puli kot ka bawat ya ka phang pedeng jong kanu ka jing tho kadai ka kani option A summarizing. Sispa lai praha ka kerdan primary haba hikai ya ka poyom kinong hikai kim ju da kham pedon kam ya kani kata dei kani ka E ban kren chphang unong tho. Sispa lai khandai ka buj hikai ka bakham ai jing mentoi e haba hikai ya ka ketien ka dei kani ka di direct method. Sispa sau pheu ka jing penki jing mut shwa ban hikai ya ka lenong ka yarap ya kinong hikai ban sngeu thu ya ka jing tip bagi khna ki la don lupa kani option C. Sispa sau phuwei ka rubrik ka dei ka tiar pensong dor da ka ba kani ka di bu kerdan ya jing la ukhna kat kum ka thup ki jing la ban le kam. Sispa sau phuar kan kham biang ban penun kam ya ka flip chart ka answer ka dei option D ha ka por kli jing kli ban pensong dor. Kani sispa sau phlai ka jing penun kam ya ki tiar yarap haba hikai ka yarap haka ni ban pensuk ban pensngeu thu. Sispa sau ka jing penun kam ya ka mind map ka penla ya ki nong hikai ban jubab dei ka di mang lupa bat bu renti ya ki jing mut jing perkhan. Sispa sau praha ka kentien ha ka senten ngayo I ukam tebit shisha ka kentien shisha ka dei ka adverb. Kani sispa san pheu wow I du pleng bentan ba pin nam dala kren hitang tip ba pidem ha ka reng jong ngaru ngam tip satiate. Ha kani ka jing kren ki ai ki dak sange bangi dei ban bo ter ha ki jaka ba dei ban le kumta. Ni pe kani wow kalong kum ka jing kendit ka mut dei ban wan shwa uniu exclamatory mark na kmat kamut ka answer ka dei kani ka option D. Tetang kini ngangej skem ba ki jubab jong pi ba pi jubab hak por exam ki badai nangta dan bok bapin ya pas ba baro kublai shibun.